Get ready for a tremendous lesson 4 about loops, including for loops, while loops, nested loops, range, break, and continue statements. First up, we have the for loop, which features my amazing Trump hotels. We have a list of Trump hotels in different cities like New York, Las Vegas, and Washington, D.C. The for loop iterates through the list, printing out each hotel location. Tremendous. Now let's talk about the while loop, which is about my presidential terms. I started with my first term and had a limit of 2 terms. The loop keeps going while my terms are less than or equal to the limit. In each iteration, it prints which term I'm serving and then increments the term count by 1. Next, we have nested loops. Here we've got a dictionary of my fantastic golf courses in the USA and internationally. The outer loop goes through the location, and the inner loop goes through each course in that location. We print the location and the courses, making it easy to see where all my great golf courses are. Range is a function that generates a range of numbers. In this example, we're generating numbers from 1 to 5, and for each number, we're building a Trump tower. You can't have enough Trump towers. In the break keyword, we have a budget for building Trump towers. We start with a budget of $5 million, and for each tower we build, the budget decreases by $500,000. If the budget drops below 0, we can't build any more towers, so we print a message and break out of the loop. Finally, we have the continue keyword. The continue keyword in Python is really something special. It's just like me at a press conference. Whenever I hear a question I don't like, I just continue to the next one. Can you believe it? Here we're looping through numbers 1 to 10, and if the number is even, we skip it. We only print the odd Trump Tower numbers because sometimes you need a change of pace. Now remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more. Good night, America. And check out the next lesson in this Python tutorial series. It really helps.